Welcome to our third annual holiday nail art series with me, Sarah, from Sarah's Nail Secrets.
And Talia from Talia's Nail Tales. This year we're doing 12 designs, but we're going to space them out a little bit different so the series lasts until Christmas.
So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss a tutorial. Let's get started. What's up, nail friends? Welcome to the last day of our series, which was titled Winter Florals. This one was one of my favorite ones, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I did it. And if you're interested in that, just keep watching. So what I used in this set to start was Light Elegance's Vanilla Bean. So this is just a really nice, soft, kind of like nudie white. I've used this actually a lot in this series. I love this color. So I've already prepped her nails and applied a clear base. So now we're just going to go in right with color. So I take a little bit of the Vanilla Bean on a gel brush and I start at the cuticle area first whenever I do gel. Then I try to get it really close to the skin without touching the skin, and then I kind of just pull the color down. So this is just a small thin layer first, and I'm gonna float the color on a little bit more after I get this base layer down. I just like to get a layer down first to try to get it nice and even around the cuticle area and then build my color up. So now I took a little bit more and then I'm kind of melting it at the cuticle area. I'm not pushing it super close to the skin. I'm just letting it kind of melt into the layer that I put down before. And then I'm just floating this around down the nail with like a jiggling motion, kind of pulling the color down. And I have the nail bent down instead of flat straight, if you guys know what I mean. And that will just help the gel not pool into the cuticle or sidewall area, because you definitely don't want that, or else it's really hard to clean up with gel. So I just keep working this until I get the whole nail done. And I use this color on all the nails, so I'm not really going to show you guys that because it's done exactly the same. Once I have that down, I just clean it up a little bit, try to make it nice and even with my brush with less product on it, and then I give that a full cure. And then I do that again on all the other nails. So after my vanilla bean color is on all the nails and cured, I haven't encapsulated this yet. I'm going in with this lace stamp from Clear Jelly Stamper, and I'm just using the white that has a shimmer in it, which I will link in my description box. So it's not a plain white. It's not like a bright plain white. It's a very shimmery, light, soft white, which is perfect for kind of like wedding stamping. So I'm just doing this Lacey Stamp on the nails just to give it some texture, because I'm going to be doing some layered stamping on top. So I wanted to do this underneath first, inside the nail, encapsulate it, and then it'll just give it a little bit of texture. So after that, I'm going to encapsulate these nails. So I'm going to be using Light Elegance's Cool Gel. And what I do when I encapsulate nails is I do a slip layer down first. So I try to get it close to the cuticle area, and then I drag this down the nail. I try to get full coverage on the nail. And then I'm going to pick up a bigger blob of the Cool Gel, and I'm going to work it at the cuticle area first, and then I just go down the nail with this. I encapsulate all the nails, and then I finish file, which I told you guys before that I wasn't going to show that on my channel for this series because it just takes too long to film and edit. So if you guys are interested in watching gel finish filing, check out my gel playlist because I do show some finish filing in there. I just skipped it in this video just so it wouldn't be too long. So once I've got all my nails encapsulated, they've been finish filed, and now we can go in with the next step. So I guess you can't really tell in the video because it's really bright, but I guess I filed out a little bit of the color or something, or shadowing or something, I'm not sure. But I'm doing the sandwich technique with the vanilla bean. So what that means is I encapsulated the color, and then after finish filing you apply another thin layer on top. So that's what I did on the pinky and the pointer finger. I guess there was shadowing. I can't really see it here in this video. This video was filmed in early November, so this was actually the first video I filmed for the series. So I can't really remember why I did the sandwich technique, but it was probably because of shadowing. So I wanted to add just a little bit of embellishments on those two nails. So I added my ugly duckling shtick-it, and then I'm just using these like rose gold triangle shape embellishments, putting those in and curing that. And then I'm just top coating the two nails that don't have the stamping on them And then I'm going to do the stamping on the other nails. So the top coat I'm using is my Glitterbels No Wipe Top Coat, which we have in stock again. Sorry that we were so out of it for so long, but we have a lot now in stock. So if you guys are waiting for that, it is in stock. So I just top coat these, give that a full cure, and then we're going to work on the stamping. So I'm going to show you guys what my idea was here and where I found my inspiration from Pinterest. I looked up wedding floral, winter wedding floral, and this is the kind of stuff I came up with. So the lace is like this photo, and then I used the colors from these flowers in the set. These are all from Pinterest, and that's how I got the idea for this layered stamping. So it's kind of like a layered wedding floral winter bouquet. So first I'm coming in and applying some greenery on the nails, and then I wanted some kind of hidden snowflakes, so I did them in the bright white, not that shimmery white, on the side, just so they would kind of pop a little bit. I'm also adding pine cones because that's very Christmassy bouquet, you know, adding some pine cones. And then I used the pine cone stamp and did it in red, and my friend thought that that was pretty too. So it's not really a pine cone, but it just kind of like gives it a layered florally look. And then I also did some white roses with red outline, red roses with black and white outlines, and I don't know, just layering these all on the nails. They turned out so pretty. I just like the way it looked. And then when I top coat these, you'll see that Lacey stamp in the background, and it'll be so pretty. So I just continuously layered these up. I practiced beforehand and just to make sure that I didn't overdo it or anything. And then here I'm just wiping up some of that extra stamping that was left behind. On this one, I really wanted to do this big, I don't even know what it is, but this one. And then I added the white dots, and then I decided to go back over it with the green outline again, just because I like to have that white dots outlined. I thought that looked cute. And then I'm going in with just some dots, kind of like snowflakes kind of look. So after I got all my stamping done, I also did the same thing on her thumb. I'm going in and top coating these. So I decided to do them shiny because I wanted that Lacey stamp to show through. And I feel like it definitely looks like it was layered, which is exactly what I was going for. And here is how the thumb looks. Basically the same, but with the roses and the snowflake, the greenery, everything. So after that's been fully cured, I put on some cuticle oil, massage that in, and have her wash her hands. And here is the full finished design. So I love this set so much. I thought they turned out exactly what I had envisioned, and I had so much fun creating this set. I'm glad it's the last one of the series because it was my favorite. So check out what Talia did as well. Hers is freaking stunning. I knew that she would come up with something absolutely gorgeous and breathtaking for florals. So make sure you check out hers. Can't wait to see that. She did it on her mom, so there might be a little bit of conversation between them. Who knows? Make sure you check it out. I will leave her in my description box. So thanks so much, you guys, for watching this whole series. This was year 3, and me and Talia had so much fun doing it. We really appreciate you guys coming to watch. If you enjoyed our videos, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Click the bell next to it to be notified, and maybe we'll do this again next year. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great Christmas and New Year's, and I will see you later. Bye.